Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will show you on how I'm going to do my activity number 10 in SolidWorks. So, our professor had given us instructions that the vlog that we're going to do is to focus on how we assembled this activity number 10 and just make sure that you already have the parts for you to have and to be easier to assemble this activity. So without further ado, let's start. So what I'm going to do is to select this assembly, and I have to make sure that this assembly will be in MMGS as its unit. We're going to start. The first thing is to insert the components. The first one is the base, and I'm going to put it here. So the first meet that I'm going to do will happen when I insert another component, which is this one. So just select this inside part and press your shift key to your keyboard and select this one, and make sure that you'll click the concentric relation. And as simple as that, you finally have the first meet. So the next relation that I'm going to do will happen when I insert the next component, which is the cam. So I'm just going to place it over here, and then I'm going to go with the meet. I'm just going to click this part and this part, and so I'm just going to move. So we're going to choose the normal too. And then we're going to rotate the view. And just like in the YouTube video that our professor have sent us, we're going to rotate the component. Rotate the view. So just like in the video, we finally have this relation. So just like that. As you can see, these both should be in the same line. We have to put another mate wherein we're going to select this part and we add the mate, and then we're going to find the right plane. Am I correct? Yes, the right plane. And going to put the check. So just going to rotate the view and move again the component. Just free drag and okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is to insert the part 4. So we have to click the assembly, insert components, and the part 4. With that, I'm going to press this part and shift and then this hole, and it should be in concentric. And then to make sure that they have equal allowances on each side, I will choose this 4 view. So I'm just going to rotate, and then this one I'm going to rotate it there, and I'm going to select the mate, advance, and width. So I'm just going to click this face and this face, this tab selection and this tab selection, and just like that, we're finally done with the mating. So I return it to a single view, and then I'm going to insert the mate. So we have to choose mechanical and then cam. Then this will be the path. Wait, why can't I? The path, and then the cam follower will be the upper part. So have to check. Then as you can see, so I finally have this. Just going to fix it. So I finally fixed this. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to move this part up here. So we have this, and then right click and float, and there you have it. And then we're going to click the fix, and this one you have to click the fix. So you can see we have this part of the assembly. So guys, the last thing that I'm going to do is to insert the last but definitely not the least component, which is the spring over here. And then I'm just going to select the part, the sweep, and I have to locate the line. So this line I'm going to select this one to go with the mate, select the part, the center. So how am I? So go over here and locate the sweep, and this is sketch, and shift to this part, and correct. So finally we have inserted the spring over here. So we have to make sure that this part will have, as you can see, the proper spacing and proper relations. So we have to check because we're going to exit. So the sketch part, this part should be going to fix. So guys, I'm finally done with this assembly in activity number 10. The next thing that I'm going to do is to create the motion study. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to I'm going to rotate the view. There. And then as you can see, it's moving. So we have to go with this study motion. So we're going to click the motion study properties and set it to 25 frames per second. And then we have to select this part and hide this component and select this going to do the motor, then select this face, and we're going to set it to 20 RPM, and we're going to press OK, and I'm going to drag this into 10 seconds, and then just going to play. Play the animation. So we're just going to wait until it reaches the 10 seconds. And later on, we're going to see if we successfully added the motion. So I'm going to click the refresh and click the play. So as you can see, as it moves, the springs go upward. So we're finally done with this activity number 10. So I hope you learned and you enjoy watching this video. So before I forgot, I'm going to show the hidden component. So it's the final output. There you have it, guys. Again, I hope you learned and you enjoy watching this video. Thank you.